Okay guys, I'm going to try to get this video up pretty quick. I've got a busy day today. I am planning on making another video soon. It'll be either today or tomorrow morning explaining why I expect there to be a lot more downside. I think when you see that video it's going to make a lot of sense. For now, I'm going to give you some price targets to pay attention to. We're going to cover, as you saw in the thumbnail, I gave you two perfect entry points to put in a short. And actually, if you had access to the charts, I gave you a perfect entry point to put in a long. And I'm going to show you this as well. And as I mentioned, the 20% drop. Now, that's not guaranteed. I'm just going to show you why that is possible and why it matches a target. So this chart right here, I have price wound back. Notice this target right here, 48,283. So this is a video I put out on October 1st. I'll put a link up to this video now if you want to check it out. The link for this video will be pinned in the first comment and description as well. But if you notice right here, this line was the one I was referencing. I said, look, if we push up, your target is 48,270. If you'll notice right here, I have price wound back. Had we pushed up, that would have been your target to short. Understand that these lines are at an upward angle. The longer it takes to hit, the higher the price. Had we pushed up, your point too short would have been 48,283. If you make contact right here, your point too short would be 48,394. Again, if you have access to the charts, you know exactly when to short and exactly when to long. If you're going by what I put out on the day of the video, you know, as price moves along, that target changes. So let me show you how this played out. I'm going to hit play here. So again, your first perfect entry point was right here at, when you made contact with this line, 48,407. So again, we hit a little later, but again, that was where you would short. So you short right here, and look what happened. We came down and found perfect support. So this is where you would long, 47,995. And notice we pushed up above this resistance level. I had a target for it right here. Let me find my arrow tool here. I had a target for this point as well. If you'll notice the same video, notice this blue ring right here. And guys, I would not have put out a video saying, you know, we're possibly topped out at 48,000 for a drop. Remember, 48K is a range, by the way. But I would not have put out this video if I wasn't confident that we'd be coming down. Yes, we pushed up to 49,000, but that's where this blue ring came in. And I also covered that in this video. You notice this blue ring right here. We had a perfect touch. Get a price label here for you. Right here, we got a perfect touch right here at 49,179 and got rejected. And that is this chart I was referencing here. I said if we push up, I said around 48,700. Again, this is on the weekly, but I was giving you an idea. Like this is the same blue ring. It was copied from this chart. If you notice, this is on the weekly. Right here, this is the charts on the weekly. You can see the next candle, the next weekly candle is above the ring, but this was created on the daily. So if you notice, if I put this on the weekly, you can see you get the same thing. You'll notice that it's out past this blue ring. But on the daily, we got a perfect touch and we got rejected. So I'm going to cover the 20% drop. Before we do that, if you'll notice, I made a post on Twitter. You know, that's what I do. My Twitter's private. You have to have access to my charts. You get access to my Twitter. But right here, 17 hours ago, G1 blue ring tested. Let's see if we push through, if this was a fake out. And I'm saying, look, this might be an ideal point to put in a short. I'm going to show you about this possible 20% drop. And guys, if you're subscribed, I make posts in the community section on YouTube. I think you have to be subscribed to see these. So make sure you subscribe if you want to be kept updated. Occasionally I'll make posts in my community section. But I also told you here, so not to scare anyone, but last time we touched this previous blue ring, we had a 20% drop. And I was telling you, look, this is a likely point to put in a short. I hope you guys did. I hope you guys listened, but we got rejected at this point. Now let me show you why I think it's possible. No, there's no guarantee that we have to drop 20%. I just want to show you why it seems like it's possible. And I would like to point out also, before I get rid of this RSI and MACD, if you'll notice, this looks like this is topped out, about to level off. Even the moving averages, you can see it looks like they're about to level off as well and possibly get across soon. And you can see the RSI is way overextended to possibly come down. So it is very possible we're headed down. Now let me show you why I think a 20% drop is possible and why that matches the target. And again, I'm going to cover the support level here, but if we go back, I'm going to show you this blue ring right here is the same, this ring right here, this ring, and this ring. This is the same fib circle. If I move it, you can see both rings move together. This back here, if you'll notice, when we make contact with this ring right here where this arrow is at, this is where we hit this blue ring, and this is, let me get rid of this. You see we made contact with the blue ring here around 34,716, and we dropped all the way down to 27,703. That was a drop of roughly 20%. So I'm not saying we have to drop 20%, I'm just saying we hit that blue ring and got rejected. So it is very possible that we are headed down. Again, as I told you guys, rings are possible reversal points. If we do drop 20% from where we made contact, that takes us right down to this next support level. And I've talked about the support level multiple times. You can see we almost got a touch here, a touch here, and you can see how well price has been respecting this green support level. We've been respecting this since, this goes all the way back to the beginning of Bitcoin. Support, 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 resistance, resistance, flipped out support, and we pushed up. So if we come down, that is your next support level to watch. Find a price label here. Where's that? Right here. So again, what I'm saying is, if we drop, a likely point to catch a bounce, if we're going to drop 20%, not saying we have to, all right, you know, your first support level to watch will probably be this trend line right here. We got rejected once, twice. So if we come down, your first point to watch will be, look, if we drop straight down, 43,500, you know, if it's out here, it's 42,688. But if it plays out like the last blue ring, look, your next major support to watch, and again, if you have access to the charts, when you make contact is when you long. And if we drop straight down, 38,618. Out here is 39,467. But I'm just saying, this ring, the last time we hit it, we got a hell of a correction. We could move down this ring. So your next major support level is this line right here to watch. So again, just want to show you that. So let me give you some price targets to pay attention to. So look, on this chart, your current support right now is right here. And look, you can see you got support right here. You got support right here. So look, if this support level breaks, 47,236, your next support level to watch is 46,125. Your next support level below that is 45,631. If we push up, your resistance is right here at around 48,671. And on the C1 chart, you can see we're breaking support now. Your next support level to watch, 45,591. Your next support level below that is 44,771. Your next support level below that, very, very strong support. You can see back here, we had two perfect touches. This is where you should have bought in right here to ride it up. So if we come down and we break the support, remember guys, if you have access to the charts, you know where to buy. Again, if we drop straight down, it's 41,879. Out here, it's 42,351. But this is a key support level that needs to hold. You can see currently our resistance now, depending on what happens with this candle, is right here at 47,661. The next resistance level above is right here at 49,972. That pretty much gives you your price targets to pay attention to. Just remember, guys, I think it's very possible we have some downside, and I think this is a likely point. You do have, again, it's possible we could test this trend line. You know, if we come down sideways, 41,823 might be a point too long, but if you break below that, the next point you potentially want to long is down here around 39,325. Right now you can see the markets are down, so I think it's likely we have some more downside. Also pay attention to the DXY. And I will be making a video. I have a lot of stuff to do today. I'll be making a video either later today or tomorrow morning showing you why I think we have a lot more downside. And I think when you see that video, you'll understand why we could possibly have one hell of a correction coming. But guys, remember, if you do want to sign up to these charts, it's $39 a month. You get access to all the Bitcoins and the altcoin charts. Plus you get access to our Discord and my Twitter, which is private. Guys, that's it. Trade safe, trade smart. To the next video. I'm out.